Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Today is day 3 of the TPC sale, and oh my gosh guys, I am crazy busy, so thank you guys so much. If you made an order or are going to be making an order, I believe there's going to be 2 days left. I'm going to try and get this video up on Sunday so that you guys will have at least a day or two to shop the sale. So this sale goes on till Monday at midnight Eastern time. So if you guys are not familiar with the TPC sale, I will leave all of the information down below along with their Facebook group. There are some amazing shops in there if you guys want to check them out as well. Definitely let me know down below if you guys made any orders during the sale. I'd love to know. So I thought today it would be really fun to show you guys me packing up all of the freebies for the week, my shop freebies, and then other freebies that I swapped with other shops that you guys will be getting as well. And then I also have some brand new sticker album covers, so I want to actually get those printed and cut right away because I do have a ton of orders that have those, and there is a very limited amount, so I want to make sure that I actually have enough. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with doing the album covers first. Brand new covers that we just released for the TPC sale. The Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice, that is available in jumbo, mini, and Hobonichi size. And then we also have a gorgeous Fox album cover. Oh my gosh guys, I love it. That is just available in the jumbo size with the matte vinyl cover. The Pumpkin Spice has like a rose gold laminated top. It is so pretty. I love both of them. I might actually start having the Fox one available in mini and hobo, but for now I just thought I would release it as a jumbo first to see what you guys thought of it, and it looks like you guys are loving it. I went ahead and actually wrote down all of the other covers that I need to do as well, since I may as well cut them all and put all of the stickers on the albums now. So let's go ahead and get it going. Alright guys, I'm finally done with all of the album covers. That was just like a short little clip, but I have been doing this pretty much all day. You guys could see the process, especially for the large jumbo albums. You have to print pretty much a full sheet of the front and the back, and then if it has like an overlay like the brand new pumpkin spice one, then you have to put on the overlay as well. And on top of it, the small silhouette cameo is pretty much the only one that I use for laminated covers. The small one just seems to work really well with lamination. It doesn't actually work well with regular sticker paper though, so I just have 3 cutters right now. I probably will be getting another one soon just to help me out, especially with these laminated covers, so maybe I'll just get another small portrait. So these are the brand new covers. So I have the Fox one here for fall. This one's just the matte vinyl. There isn't like a real limited edition on this one. It just won't be in the shop for that long just because it is fall related. The pumpkin spice and everything nice. I have it in the jumbo, also in the mini that fits all of the samplers and washi cards. And then of course the Hobonichi size, which is the most popular. This is just so gorgeous. The camera does not do it justice with the like rose gold foil. So pretty. Now this one actually is a limited edition because I don't actually have a manufacturer for the rose gold overlay, so I really only have just a few of these. So because I am offering it in all different sizes, once it is sold out, it probably won't come back. I may do it with just the matte vinyl, but probably not. So if you guys want this, definitely run over there, especially while it is discounted. So that is a great deal. So these were the most popular, and then of course the oh my god cute stickers was very popular as well, so I had to cut a bunch of these as well. So we're finally done with all of the covers, so I'm going to go ahead and pack up all of the freebies that were sent to me from other shops and from my own. I think I'm just going to actually do the other shops right now, and then tomorrow I'm actually going to print and cut all of my shop freebies. I will probably do another video showing me packing all of the orders and those, so stay tuned if you guys want to see that. That will come out later this week. So let's go ahead and pack those up. I do have a couple different days that I am giving out different samplers. So the first day sold out like really quickly, so all of those samplers are gone. The second day samplers went from day 2 and today, and then you guys will see I am going to pack up the samplers that will be going out for Sunday, which is today for you guys, and on Monday, and they are so cute. So the first 20 people today and tomorrow will be getting a fun little shop sampler pack. So let's go ahead and pack those guys up. Alright, so if you ordered on the first day, this was the sampler pack. So this cute little paper clip from Little Dimples Co. So cute, guys. This had to take a lot of work, so that is adorable. There's also the sampler from Ben's Design Co. So pretty, that full box. Avalon and Ninth. I love these little quotes. This one is from Avenue K Inspire, just gorgeous. And then Aurora and Avalon, I love these guys. And then the last one here is from Stick It To 'Em. So let's pack these guys up. And this was day 2 and 3, so Friday and Saturday samplers. The first one here is from the Crafty Student. So cute, clean the house. Yes, I need to do that. This is ambitiousmimi.com. So cute. All of these are pretty much fall related since that was our theme. This is adorable. This is from Tilly B Plans. This one is from Sammy Lynn Planning, and then I also added a little vinyl die cut sticker, and this one says hello fall with the cute little leaf. So this was Friday and Saturday sampler pack. So let's pack them up. And for today and tomorrow samplers, we have 20 of each of these guys. So for the first 20 orders that order today or tomorrow, if it rolls into that, we'll be getting one of each of these. So the first one here is So Adorable from Savannah Paper Co. The Penny Pages, look at how cute her characters are. This one is from Inspire Ever After, this cute little apple. Tipsy Dog Designs, guys, I just love that. What the fluff. I actually just had fluff the other day for the very first time. I guess it's a big thing in New England, so I wonder if she's in New England. And then this last one here is from Planning with Manny. Look at how cute these guys are. And then I'm actually going to be adding one more little cutie. So this one is the Pumpkin Spice and All Things Nice with the rose gold laminate on it. So let's go ahead and package these guys up. Alright guys, I am going to wrap it up. It is super late here and extra hot. So I did get all of the album covers cut and put onto the covers, and then I've also sorted out all of the sampler packs. I actually have a little surprise for anybody that placed an order during the TPC sale. I saved 5 of every single one of the samplers, including my own that I put in the sampler bags, and I will be doing a random giveaway with those orders. So 5 lucky winners. Instead of just the small little sampler pack, you will be getting one of each of those. It will be totally random. I will have a random generator choose those 5 winners. So if you guys ordered, definitely take a peek inside your order and see if you won all of these swap samplers. So thank you guys so much if you do place an order, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my process of getting ready for the sale and doing all of the covers and samplers. I do plan on doing another video of me packing up everybody's orders and getting together all of my tiered freebies that I have during this sale as well. So if you guys want to see that video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!